I'm going to show you right now order entry. We'll get in a little bit of the customer edits and to show you how to enter an order. The order would then go to a scan gun and then you'd fulfill the order. But I'm going to say goodbye, you saw who I am, and I'll clear the screen so you can see everything. So if we go into first customer edit, this is where all our customers are. We can hit search and this is our list of customers. I'm going to select customer 10,001. Okay, there's a few things here that matter with the order entry. We can, when the orders are done, we can auto send. Well, when we enter an order, we check this off. Auto send order email will get sent to the customer. Auto send BOL email will auto send an email when the order is complete. If you do want to send those emails, you would have to have a BOL email address here, and the order email would go here. Allow product replacement would be when they're scanning, that they can scan for this customer, they can replace orders. You can see whether they're not an active customer. So those are some of the things that matter. Also, if you want to set up custom price levels, you can. So if I go into here and I click this little folder, it pulls up my price level lists. I can show you which ones we have in here. It's price list 1, price list 2, price list 3. We can have as many as you want. Price list 1, if I go in here, or actually price list 2 had some edits in it. So you've got your product and your price per pound. These gray ones are ones that fall outside the norm. So the normal list price is $17, but for this price we're doing it at 6. And this one's normally 9, we're doing it at 5. All you need to do is just make a change in here, like if I want to make this $7, I do that and I hit save, and when it reloads, that would be 7, whenever it comes back. On price list 2, sorry. Go back to price list 2. It's now 7. So if you want to attach this to a customer, you can. And then when you're placing an order, you can do custom pricing. Okay? So enough of that. Let's just go into order entry. Oh, well, actually not yet. Billing address, shipping address. You can have multiple shipping addresses. Your bill of lading, which bill of lading design you want to print. It can be specific for this customer. If you don't select one here, it'll just default to the one, the general one for when we're printing a bill of lading. That's the weight sheet that comes out at the end. If there's customer specific products, when you're doing when you're entering the orders, you can maybe have on the pick sheets or on the bill ladings their product ID, so this is where you'd associate those. Unified is for doing mobile order entry. ZPL graphics would be for, this is for labeling. If you're labeling for this customer, you can put their graphic, their logo on the labels. Order history, you can see if you've done any orders for this customer. You can, if I click go, I don't know if I have done any for this customer, but you would see their order history. Okay, so that's the customer edit. So now we want to enter an order. We go into order entry. We hit search here. You can see the orders, the most recent orders in the past here. There's color coded. The white means the order hasn't been completed. The black means it's been completed and it has been sent to invoicing for QuickBooks. And the gray means it's been completed, and that's all. If you want to, like if I go back to look at an order, see this 2049 here, I can go back, I can see this order, and weight scan 300 pounds. If I click on that, this one, it will pull up another screen, which popped up on one of my monitors. It shows me the actual serial numbers that we ordered. And if I want to do something like move it to another order, I can, but I can't here. It's grayed out because the order is already closed. If I want to delete it from the order, I can, which will put it back into inventory. So it's a kind of a powerful thing. You can see all the orders right here as you need to. If you want to print a bill of lading, you can say print BOL, and that'll print it to screen. Hopefully, it's going to pop up on another screen. It's got the summary up top. This is one of the designs. We have 32 different order entry or bill lading designs. This is one of them. And you can see what a You can see your bill of lading. You can email it from here. You can print it out. You can save it as a PDF and email it if you want to do that too. So now to enter an order, we hit the plus. We select the customer that we're sending to. This is all test data. If it was a customer I'd shipped to in the past, their products would show up here on the right. Let me find one. I might look out and get one I've shipped to before. No, I'm not so lucky. Let me get some higher numbers here. Maybe this one. No. Well, anyway, the right area would show last products on LPP is last price paid. So if this was you want to see what products shipped before, you can just click on it and it'll put it on the order for you. So you don't have to give kind of that order history all the time. And there's a lot of stuff on the screen, but there's a lot of information you might need to know. So when you're shipping to this customer, you're going to choose their ship to address. This is Blue Dog Farms shipping address. Is the name of that shipping address. Their scheduled ship date. I mean, all this is pretty self-explanatory. Delivery date, the PO number, the ship via. What else? Standard orders. We can select just a whole group of products and put it on an order. Just click insert and it'll put all those items onto an order. It might be like the Tuesday order or something like that. You're going to go in and say, give me Tuesday order for this customer, and it'll just automatically insert it into the order entry screen. We have some more options here. Then when it comes down to selecting the products, you select what product you're going to put on the order. You can do a search if you want to. This is a chuck roll bone-in. I can choose that, or a different product that's got the same match. Number of cases I'm ordering, weight. I can order it by weight or by pieces. The price per pound comes up for this product. That's all tied in. So if there's not a price for that, like when we went in and set up customer specific pricing, if we didn't edit a price, then it's going to use a default price, which is attached to the product, and you can edit it if you need to. We can also lock the edits so you can't edit it. We can also make it so that at this point, if you try putting in a price that's under the average cost, it will show a warning, and there will need to be an override in order to enter something into the order below average cost. That keeps you from having salesmen or something like that trying to give somebody a really good deal that you didn't authorize or anything like that. The order by bill by, this is how we send it off to QuickBooks. So if it's order by the case, bill by the pound, or is it order by the pound, bill by the pound, there's a couple different, we call that kind of our order unit of measure. And then what line number, if you need to match like somebody's purchase order, you can put the line number in there. If you don't put one, it's just going to index for you throughout the order. Then there's some more information, item notes you can put in. You can put an order type if you want to. Even if you want to, you can even establish what weights you want to get. We do have some customers that order carcasses and things like that, and they're looking for target weights on the order. So once we put the cases in here, we hit add to order. Now that item is on the order, and we hit save. Or you can add multiple, you can have more than one line item on an order. You can't have the same product on an order twice though. It's one product per line. One product per order. Like I couldn't put in 11101 again. If I did it again, it would just update the previous version. So if you made a mistake, you just go in, I put in one case, I want to make this 3 cases. I can go in, change that, and hit add to order, and it'll update it. Okay, that's all I got to do. So once I've saved this, I click save. It's now an order in the system. If I hit search, it's going to be there. It's going to be the first order on the top. And then this is now ready for the handhelds. So we can now pick this order on the handhelds. That'll be another video. I just wanted to go over order entry for you, a real quick demo. There are, let me just hit search here. There are, you have some additional things you can put on the order. Then we have an order history. If there's something that happened to this order, let's say this one. We can see what happened on this order, that somebody opened it, looked at it, reclosed it, shipped it, whatever it is. There is some order history here if you want to see that. Okay. And these were the things that were done for it. We moved it to the QuickBooks queue, and then what we did. It's a bunch of information here. So anyway, thanks for listening. We're a provision processing system. We've been doing this for about 25 years. We can help you with any customization, anything like that that you need. We're constantly modifying and adding. This is right now, today is September 12th, 2022. If